Hey there friends, today I'm unboxing the Qoolife rechargeable underwater light, and this is a 3.3 inch USB. It's got a magnet in there, and let's see what we got. So on the top it says remote controlled rechargeable LED submersible lights. So instructions, hopefully we won't need that. Alright, so in here is a little remote. This is off button, RGB, flash, auto, crossfade, mix, spark. That's an RF signal, so it's a radio frequency. It's not infrared, so radio frequency should give you, but don't have to have a line of sight like infrared, so it should be a lot better remote. Okay. All right, in here we have the actual light itself. And this one, let's see, I wonder if it has a port for the LED or for the USB, or you have to plug it in. Looks like there you have to plug it in. Okay, it's got a little magnet here. And what's this? Okay, comes with four. They're suction cups and USB charger. So that's it for the box there. Alright, let's see if this thing can turn on or not. Of course, as always, I put a link to the Amazon page in the description below if you want to check this out. See if I can open this little baggie here. Alright, so it has a little tab here. You release it to get your battery ready. Let's see if this has a charge or not right now. So let's hit it red. Maybe you have to unscrew it first. I don't know if it comes with a charge yet or not. We're going to find out. Oh, it's off. So in there you see it has a come on, focus people. Can we focus? Really? No autofocus? There we go. Alright, it has an on-off button, and it has the USB port right there. We're going to turn it on. See if we can't get this going here. Alright, so oh yeah, so there's the blue and green and red, and that's really cool. Green and blue, red and yellow, red and blue, so you got violet. So white, flashing, crossfade. Let's see what spark does. That's cool. Auto and mixed. Alright, so this is a pretty cool light. The remote is nice. You don't have to hold out here and change the colors. So it's definitely got some nice features there with the light. I like that the battery's internal. You don't have to worry about getting other batteries and stuff for it. Just you want to turn it off, just turn it off wherever. Boom, there you go. Okay, so that's cool. This is supposed to be waterproof. Obviously, when I do my review, I'm going to do a demonstration. Submerge this in water. It's got a nice little heavy weight there, and a magnet here as well. So let's see. Alright, that's it for the unboxing, my friends. I'll be doing a review and let you know what I think of it once I get done with it. So first impression, it seems well constructed. The remote is awesome. You know, I hate it how you have to point right at some things to get it to work. Not with this, with a radio frequency remote. So definitely cool. I like the internal battery with the USB. So I'm going to go ahead and finish charging this up full, and then we'll be back for a final review in a little bit. So thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. Have a great day out there. We'll see you next time.